Here's how to delete a user profile on PS4 and PS4 Pro in a few easy steps. From your home screen, press up on your controller to navigate up to the function area. Scroll to Settings, which is the second to last icon on the right hand side, and press X on your controller. Go to Login Settings and press X. Scroll to User Management all the way at the bottom and press X. Select Delete User and press X. Choose the user profile you want to delete and press X. Select Delete to confirm. Select Yes. In some cases, after deactivating your PS4, the system will once again verify with you if you want to delete the user profile. Select Yes.